Hey guys, I'm just going to analyze a file that seems suspicious to me. Okay, using Sandbox, guys. Okay, let's quickly start. So this is the file, guys, vspatch.exe, which has gotten installed without my knowledge. Okay, so I'm going to use an open source malware analyzing tool, or you can call it as a Sandbox, which will help us to analyze a particular file or binary. So let's quickly get started, guys. So I'm in home page, guys. I'm just going to click new analysis here. Okay, and I'm just going to upload the file here. We'll just copy paste here. Drag the location. Just going to open this one here. Just going to quickly. Let's quickly run the analysis, guys. What it does. Okay, so let's quickly run this one. See whether there is something suspicious. Currently says there is no verdict here. I'll click on more info. We can use summary by AI as well. Basically, it seems malicious to me. Okay, and though there is no verdict just now, it says wonder share. Okay. So this particular conhost.exe is from Microsoft basically. PS patch, as you see, is from a company called Wondershare. Wondershare. So maybe what I would do is tries to connect to dcert.com in the backend. A lot of other processes also is getting involved. So I will request a text report here. See what happens. Says no threats detected just now. Basically, it's getting executed from this location, guys. Network activity. So there are a lot of connections, DNS requests this exe is making. Finally, it says no threats detected. Additionally, what we can do is copy this SHA-256 value. Okay, go to this here. Let's see what antivirus says. Different antivirus vendors say about this file. Okay, just put this hash value here. Quickly do a search. Basically, you can see no security vendors have flagged this as malicious. Okay, basically it says undetected. So you can see the information related to file, and you can see these are signed by branded CA certificate authorities, guys, like DigiCert. Basically, DigiCert is a best CA, I would say, which issues public certificates for any URL, any website, or any application, or any file binaries. Okay, so don't see any issues here. Even if I go to behavior, so there are some code, there are some rules which are of low priority in nature, low and medium priority. There's nothing in critical high, guys. Basically, the rules should be related to Yara. Okay, rules generally means Yara is what it incorporates when there is a pattern or condition match. Basically, there is nothing alarming here as well. Okay, because I did not install these guys basically. Let me check in appwiz.cpn location. You see anything you want to share? You can see there is no publisher details, guys. So it seems suspicious to me. Like whenever you see there is no publisher information, just go ahead and uninstall it, guys. That is the best thing to do. When you don't see publisher details, just go ahead and uninstall it. Okay, and I will just furthermore, I would just go ahead and remove the folder itself where it was. It was in temp directory, not wrong. Just go ahead and delete it completely. Right? Though there is very less information with regards to this exe file, bspatch.exe, and there is no conclusive evidence that this file is malicious. But just because I see it getting installed in temp directory, mostly what happens is these kind of malicious softwares uh, try and reside in temp directory just to conceal their identity or try to evade detections. Okay, or trying to hide their identity. So hence why I just wanted to remove it itself, because even though we did not find any suspicious behavior, but probably there is some other process which is making use of this exe, or some other exe file. Okay, some other malicious software can be making use of this unsigned file, okay, for its own benefit. Hence why it's important we go ahead and remove it. So basically this is how you analyze any kind of softwares, guys, on whether uh, it is safe to run on your device or not. Because basically this is how the analysis of a malwares take place. Okay, using a sandboxing. There are a lot of other techniques as well. This is one amongst them. So basically this is a open source, okay, sandboxing tool, okay, you particularly used to analyze malwares, guys. And you can see here it is actually incorporating MITRE attack matrix, guys. Okay, which consists of tactics, techniques. Okay, basically this is how the flow works. Initial access happens, execution, persistence, and then privilege escalation and defensivation, credential access. So it works in a flow. Okay, so this file is something at a mid level within the framework. So it's probably comes under discovery category. Okay, so you can see here. So basically, you see more details available here. Probably this could act as a backdoor. Okay, so it's not directly malicious, but the way it is designed is to reveal some information. Okay, confidential information. So that is what it reads over here. That's what we read over here. Okay, so basically the tool can provide information related to system. Okay, most important information that I can say. Okay, so though this particular what you say, though this particular category is not something very critical, okay, unless if we see it falling under this particular cred access and then defense evasion, privilege escalation, all this will warrant immediate action, guys. Since it is kind of discovery tool, which I mean, which normally fetches you some information, so there is no immediate risk. And even lateral movement, all these needs immediate action, guys. And you can see the techniques. These are the techniques that we are seeing. Okay, any you can see the technique details, guys. Basically these are all techniques. Okay, so it will actually bring in the techniques page, guys. Okay, query registry. So basically if anything that queries registry to fetch some information, like I said, it you can see it is kind of a backdoor, guys. Okay, trying to gather some system level information. Okay, and all the techniques are marked with these kind of numbers, guys. T stands for technique. Okay, don't see any tactic that is involved here, so it's all techniques. Okay, so basically apologies for the confusions, all these are tactics, guys. Within the tactics, what techniques are enumerated or inculcated to achieve the tactic is what is shown over here. Okay, so hence why I decided that though there is no conclusive picture of whether this particular file dspath or dxe and its associated directories are malicious or not, I removed it because you can see the scores as well. Okay, the reputation score you can call 0 out of 100. which means the file is safe, but however, it can act as a backdoor as well for any other malicious softwares that could be running, okay, on your PC. Hence, I decided to remove it from my machine. So this is how you do the analysis, guys, of any uh, could be malware, okay, and take actions accordingly. And if you found this video helpful, guys, please hit the support button and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And I apologize to you if my English is not that good. I'm trying to improve my English. So basically, like, my English is poor, in my opinion. I am continuously working on improving my English just to ensure my videos go to the global audience and reach wider. I could easily make videos in my native language or my mother tongue language, but unfortunately, I don't want my video to just restricted to one region. Okay, that is locally where I am located. I want my videos to reach wider audience. That's the whole point in making videos in English, guys. And keep supporting my channel, guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos like this. We'll meet in the next video, guys. Until then, stay safe, eat healthy, cheers, ta-da, bye-bye.